Welcome back. Let's quickly wrap up this lesson. So, what have we done today? First of all, we started with time notations, where we spoke about writing time in the correct format and all those. Then we went to converting, and as you have noticed by now, converting is very important. And we ended off with calculations with time, where we stressed the usage of the calculator. The new words that you encountered was analog clock. It is a clock with numbers 1 to 12 around the outside. There is 2 arms. The shorter arm measures the hours and the longer one measures the minutes. Now, this analog clock is a typical clock that you will get in your house, in your kitchen, or hopefully even in your bedroom. And then the next one is the stopwatch. It is a timepiece designed to measure the amount of time that elapses between its activation and deactivation. Now, the stopwatch is that watch that the timekeepers will use during an athletics meeting, where they measure your time with your speed and the distance. Then the 12-hour format and the 24-hour format. The 12-hour format is the 12-hour clock that runs from 1 a.m. to noon, and then again from 1 p.m. to midnight. And the example there is, it is 2 o'clock in the morning. Remember, when we use the 12-hour format, you need to say whether it's in the morning or in the afternoon. Otherwise, you will get confused. The 24-hour format is the digital one, where your day begins at midnight, 0000, and the last minute of the day begins at 23:59. So that is also the time that your cell phone shows you. Every time you look at your cell phone to check the time, you will look at a 24-hour format. And the example there would be, the school will be dismissed at 2:15, 14:15. Another one is your calendar, a chart showing months, weeks, and days of a particular year. And your digital clock, a digital clock simply shows the numbers to denote the time. So that is then the 24-hour, or like the one in the picture, it can give us digital time and state whether it's AM or PM. Common errors. Learners tend to mix up multiplication and division. Remember the golden rule for conversion. From small to big, I divide, and from big to small, I times. Then they try lengthy calculations with time instead of using their calculator. Remember, 30 minutes is 0,5 hours, not 0,3. The decimal in the hours is part of an hour. So 2,3 hours is not 2 hours and 30 minutes. Physical time is written with a colon, and duration is written in words. Meaning, if I say 14:15 with a colon between the 14 and the 15, like that, it is physical time. And if I write 14 hours and 15 minutes, it is duration. Look at the difference there. Example again, 11:15 is 11:15, and then 11 hours and 15 minutes is duration. And then I'll leave you with a challenge. If a movie is 3,23 hours long and it starts at 9 a.m., what time will it end? Write your answer in analog time. Remember, guys, let's look at this challenge. If a movie is 3,23 hours, it's not 3 hours and 23 minutes, it's 3,23 hours, parts of an hour. If a movie is 3,23 hours long and starts at 9 a.m., what time will it end? Write your answer in analog time, meaning I need to say whether it's going to be AM or PM. And that brings us to the end of our lesson. Thank you for joining. I hope you join again soon. Be blessed. Goodbye.